Do not forget donut.
You owe me for one jelly donut!
Stay tuned, that is my knife. In the first step, we mix milk with sugar and yeast. Put it on heat so that the yeast activates earlier. In a deep bowl, sift flour and add salt. In another bowl, mix the egg with vanilla extract to remove the smell of the egg. Now, mix all the ingredients together until it's uniform, so that it doesn't stick to your hand. In the last step, add butter to achieve this attractive texture. Cover the bowl with the cloth and let it rest for half an hour. Now spread it with the help of a rolling pin and make it into a donut shape. Give it another 10 minutes to rest. In the meantime, we will prepare an attractive chocolate sauce for donuts. Mix cacao powder, powdered sugar, and milk together well. Put the donut in hot oil and fry well with medium heat. This golden color is unique for donuts. Stack and pour the chocolate sauce and garnish it with anything you like. I promise, it is one of the best donuts you will make. Enjoy your meal.